Issues of self-determination, of peace and of justice are very important to us in the European Free Alliance, and that's why a group of us are going next week to Palestine to see the situation in the West Bank, to see how people, ordinary people, are managing in their day-to-day lives with all of the hardships that they suffer. We'll be talking to groups that help people in their communities, groups that work for justice. We'll be visiting a refugee camp. We'll be talking to people in communities throughout the country, but we'll also be talking to politicians, both Israeli and Palestinian politicians, about what we can do, how we can help as individual members of the European Parliament, and what the European Union itself can do to help resolve the crisis and bring about peace and justice. We'll be recording film clips, we'll be writing blogs, and we'll be sending those back. They'll be there for you to see on the website. So please follow our journey with us to learn more about the Palestinian people and what all of us can do to help bring about peace.